Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer placements. Okay, so this is your love reading hanggang mid-August. Okay? So yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yeah. Kung meron pa pong ibang mga tanong, message lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so let's start Cancer yan. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let's see ano ba ang current situation nyo and tingnan natin kung ano bang magiging kaganapan pa, no? Oo, tingnan natin. Cancer, oo, ano bang meron pagdating sa inyong current situation? Okay, the Page of Cups. Okay. And I think this is like a new beginning, or meron ditong nag-a-approach, meron ditong nagbibigay ng emotion or nagbibigay ng kanilang cup of love. Someone is messaging someone with sweet messages like that. Let's see. What's with the Page of Cups? Yeah. Oh, this is nice. The Nine of Cups. Meron ako dito nakikitang crush. Okay? Crush. See? The Ten of Cups. So, I think sa situation, may nagbibigay ng kasiyahan, or yung situation sa ngayon is nakakapagbigay ng kasiyahan, ha? Okay? Some of you, may chance na yung isa sa inyo is bata or younger. Younger. Okay? Or maybe you're the one who is young. Dito sa connection. Okay? So, I'm seeing here back and forth communication. Okay, nandyan yung kilig moments, mga ganyan. Yeah. Something na nagbibigay ng happiness. The Nine of Cups kasi, this is someone's wish fulfillment. So maybe, pwedeng yung kausap mo ngayon is yung iyong wish fulfillment for you. You're wanting, or maybe you're wanting someone, parang ganyan, wanting to communicate with someone you love, you want, you like, diba? Okay, someone wants to approach or to reach out or to give their cup of love. Let's see, ano bang meron sa taong yan? Anong meron? Okay, what? The Hierophant. Talagang nakikita mo itong taong to na siya yung gusto mo, no? Talagang, gusto mo pa mapangasawa, parang ganyan. The Hierophant. See? Ang dami namang love dito, ang dami namang emotion. The King of Cups. Meron ditong in love. May in lababo. May in love dito. The Hierophant daw. Tanong natin anong meron sa taong to, the Hierophant. Oh no. Some of you, itong taong ginugusto mo is already married. Taas kamay. Sino naka-resonate doon? This person is already married or committed. Pwedeng Taurus. The Hierophant. What's with this? Hierophant? Some of them, ang dami lang commitments. Yeah, ang dami lang commitments. Diba? Okay, ano tong Hierophant? The Three of Swords. Is this already in a connection? Are they? Cancer, are they? Diba sa kanila pwedeng may anak na, may mga responsibilidad. Yeah. So maybe itong taong ginugusto mo, no? Itong taong ginugusto mo, sabihin natin specific. meron siyang iba. Meron siyang anak. Mga specific po yan, ha? Okay? Let's see, what's with this Three of Swords in reverse? Yeah, the Queen of Cups in reverse. So, may chance na itong taong to is, sabihin nating, they are setting healthy boundaries pagdating sa sarili. Okay? So, pwedeng hindi sila available emotionally for you. May chance. Okay? I don't know. I think this person is crush mo. Cancer. Crush mo siya or gusto mo siya. Nakikita mo itong taong to na someone na pwedeng wife material or husband material, like that. Gusto mo talagang magkaroon ng long-term commitments with this person. And I think some of them, they're not available emotionally. I don't know, like, yeah, pwedeng may mga inuuna itong taong to. Okay, tingnan natin. Sana nga walang third party, kaya hindi siya pwede or hindi siya available sa'yo. Pero ang nakukuha ko, meron ditong exchanges ng messages na talagang nakakapagbigay ng happiness sa iyo or sa inyong pareho. Okay, tingnan natin. Anong emosyon ito for you, Cancer? Anong emosyon ito para sa'yo? Cancer, anong emotion niya for you? The King of Wands. Ooh! Do you know what's the dark side ng King of Wands? In reversed. This is dark side. Kapag naka-reverse ang king or anything. Okay? The dark side. Welcome to my dark side. Some of them, they're a player. I'm sorry. They're a player. Yeah. And yes, may age gap dito. Mas matanda sa'yo ito, Cancer. Okay? Emosyon ito, this is lust, not love. Yeah, this is lust. Ano po yung lust? L-U-S-T. Ayoko Tagalogin, hindi ko alam kung pwede yun sabihin eh. Okay? Yung pinaka okay is pagkahumaling. Humaling lang. Parang ganun. Anyway, King of Wands in reverse. Ito kwento ko lang ha. Oo. Si King of Wands, sa lahat ng king sa tarot, for me, pagkakaalam ko, siya lang yung kasal. Opo, siya lang yung kasal. Siya lang yung may someone. Okay? Yes. So, dark side nito, may chance na player. Nakabaliktad eh. So, take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Parang, yeah, diba? Kunin nyo lang kung nakaka-resonate sa inyo, pero wag nyo lahat kukunin ha. Ay, madam, hindi naman po ganun siya eh. Yun nga, wag nyo kukunin lahat. Ha? Okay. King of Wands in reverse. King of Wands in reverse. What's that? Emotion. This is lust. This is passion. Okay. King of Wands in reverse and the Four of Wands. Yeah, some of them pwedeng meron ng iba. Okay? So, ano to? Hustler? Anong meron? The Four of Wands. Actually, Cancer, I'm getting an energy from this person na parang noong una, parang play lang. Pero habang tumatagal, nagkakaroon na, sabihin natin, ng pundasyon yung emosyon nito for you. Yes. Habang tumatagal, nandun na yung nagiging seryoso na siya sa'yo, Cancer. Iba sa inyo, alam mo na meron tong iba. Pero yes, tuwan-tuwa ka kasi nakakausap mo siya. Some of them, they're maganda, they're gwapo, mga ganan. Mhm. Okay. So, unti-unti na parang nagkakaroon na ng pundasyon. Okay. Yeah, the Ten of Wands Universe. Humihirap na ang sitwasyon, ha? Humihirap na. Tingnan natin anong next action nito towards you, Cancer. What is their next action? So, you want this person. Yeah, actually, you want this person. Nakakuha ko rito, merong binabahay. Meron nagsasama sa isang lugar, sa isang bahay, nagkikita kayo, nagsasama kayo. Oh no. Di bale kung may anak lang siya, ganyan. Pero kung may someone to, oh no. Okay, let's see anong next action niya. The High Priestess in reverse. This person will give you answers. Clarity. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Wands. Yeah, may third party involvement. Yeah, the Justice in reverse pa. Okay? I think, Cancer, ikaw yung sobrang nafo-fall dito or attached. Okay? Pero I think, itong taong to, nahuhulog na rin eh. Opo. Okay, yun nga lang, may chance kung hindi mo alam yung third party na involved, may chance po na sasabihin niya yun sa'yo or ipapaliwanag niya sa'yo kung anong sitwasyon meron siya. Okay? Pero kung alam mo naman, na may third party, sabihin natin bibigyan ka nito ng answers. Bibigyan ka nito ng clarity pagdating sa sitwasyon nyo. Yeah. See? The Ten of Cups. Some of you talaga, may pamilya to, or may mga anak, or may anak. Okay, tingnan natin ano ba ang outcome/advice. Cancer. Anong outcome nyo /advice? The Queen of Swords in reverse. Ang daming ng lumalabas na tao. Okay, Queen of Swords in reverse and the Judgment in reverse. So, I'm seeing an ending here. Yeah. Kasi may mali po. Okay? The Ten of Swords. May mga nasasaktan dito. Oo. Sasabihin ko sa inyo, yes, kahit masaya kayo sa isa't isa, kung mali naman itong sitwasyon, you have to, sabihin natin, maging mature. Okay? Kung kailangan may tapusin dito, kailangan tapusin. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Yung parang hindi nabibigyan ng pagkakataon ulit, maybe. Or hindi na para magbigay, mag-effort dito sa sitwasyon na to. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ni Universe na itigil na. Judgment and the Queen of Swords Universe dahil hindi tama. This is just a waste of time if ever. Okay. The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Oy, I'm seeing here kasi na pwedeng ang nakikita mo sa taong ito is siya yung twin flame mo, mga ganon, strong connection, mga ganyan. Pero yun nga, wrong timing. Opo. No? And yes, this is a karmic. Okay? A karmic connection. Yes. Okay? So, may chance na may matututunan ka dito. Ha? Cancer, hindi lang to wala. Hindi ito binigay ni Universe para lang sa wala. Okay? Lahat naman ang ibinibigay ni Universe. Kung nagfe-failed yan, kung nagiging okay yan, lahat may lesson. Lalo na to. Lalo na tong karmic. Ha? Akala nyo, twin flame nyo. Oo, yun pala, karmic. Bakit ganun? Mali yung sitwasyon, mali yung oras. Bakit nagkita pa tayo? Bakit ganun? Baka tayo, soulmate? Baka twin flame tayo? Yun pala, karmic. Madalas yun lang ang alam yung soulmate at anong tawag dyan? Yung twin flame. Hindi alam. Ay, may karmic pala. Opo, meron. Mas malala ang karmic. Karmic situation. Karmic relationship. Mainam pa sa mainam. Yeah. Yung iisipin mo, sana tayo na nga, sana ganto, ganyan. Pero bakit ang daming hadlang? Hindi pwede. Parang ganon. Okay, this is karmic. 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 Una pa lang. Opo. Ay, diba? I don't know. Bakit nangyayari itong ganito? So, kailangan yung matutunan, no? Kung ano bang lesson yung kailangan mong matutunan dito sa sitwasyon nyo na to. Meron po yan. Makakaalis ka lang dito sa sitwasyon na to. Mahirap alisan tong karmic. Mahirap. Actually, mahirap. Ha? Makakaalis ka lang dito kapag nalaman mo kung ano ba talaga ang purpose. Bakit siya nangyari? Ano ba ang lesson? Kung bakit ba kami nagkita or what? Anong meron? Anong sitwasyon meron? Parang kanon. Okay? Tinuturuan ka ni universe to grow. Yes. Opo, nagkaroon na kayo ng connection nito before sa past life. Okay, so yan ang ating gusto no? Yung mga ganyan. Mga past life connection. So, ang nangyari, hindi kayo naging okay nito, hindi nagkaroon ng success sa connection nyo before. So, ngayon, nag-failed ulit. So, better luck, next lifetime. Opo, no? So, malay mo, ikaw naman yung bata. Tapos siya naman yung matanda. Ganon, opo, na. So, malay mo, ikaw naman yung kasal. Tapos siya naman yung single sa susunod na buhay. Ganon po. Okay? So, titingnan natin kung tama na ba yung timing. Yes, you have to heal. Okay? Kailangan yung mag-heal. Yes. Ay, ang mahirap. Mahirap to, oo. Ayoko sumali. Ay. Yeah. Madalas talaga. Kahirap-hirap. Oo. So, yun po ang nakikita ko ha. This needs end. Dahil hindi naging successful. Hindi magiging successful. Or sabihin natin may mali sa sitwasyon. Kaya hindi dapat ilaban. Kahit sabihin nyo, ay, gusto ko to. Ay, gusto ko siya. Ganto, ganyan. Kung wala mang third party, kung may mga anak, ganto, ganyan. Kung gusto niyang unahin yung mga anak niya kaysa sa'yo, then accept it. Okay, wala tayong magagawa. Ganon talaga. Okay? So, yeah. Depende sa sitwasyon ninyo. Ha? Okay, hindi naman, yun nga, 100% na makaka-resonate dito. And yes, this is not a private reading. Okay? This is general. Lahat ng Cancer yan na nanonood. Okay? So, halo-halo na yung energy. So, let's see. All signs. For Cancer. Aries. So, nawawala na yung parang hot and cold na siya. Hindi na siya consistent pagdating sa nararamdaman sa'yo. Taurus. So, we have here an ending or changes na pwedeng mangyari. Gemini. They're being impatient. Excuse me. Cancer. So, there is like a delay, blockage. Yeah. Leo. There's a third party involvement with a Leo. Okay. Virgo. So, some of them, they're being mysterious. May mga nakatago. May mga sikreto. Itong si Virgo. Libra. So, this is like a short-term connection. Some of you, this is just like unstable connection. Okay, and yeah, may separation dito kung nakikita. Okay, Scorpio. So, some of you, you have these karmic ties with this Scorpio. Okay, andyan pa rin yung unfinished business ninyo. Sagittarius. Okay, so some of them, they are ready to open up, to tell their feelings. Okay. Capricorn. Okay, so may mga mabubunyag, may mga I think itong Capricorn na to is something or someone na sad, no? May mga kailangang sabihin nating may mga alam siya sa sitwasyon. Parang ganyan. Pero they're just keeping it like a secret. Parang ganyan. Okay? Aquarius, so meron ditong injustice with this Aquarius. So may chance na meron ding imbalance no pagdating sa situation. Pisces, okay, so some of them they're not open like sa communication, okay? May chance rin dito ng a failure, like a failed start, false start. Okay? So there, yun ang ating reading for you, Cancer placements. Again, yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.